Welcome back everyone. This video we're going to show you how to customize the footer. So basically you go to the admin dashboard, and from the dashboard section you just go to the appearance. You got something called widgets. Inside the widgets we have different components. These components are known as widgets containers. For example, we have top shipping, top slider. Also we have a section for footer, and we can see we have footer, categories, and meta. These are considered as widgets. So how we could control widgets? Inside the theme, inside the book options, you could go to something called footer inside the options. This is a configuration place where you can see all the options related to the footer. For example, we have a layout, different layout. Here we got layout footer 7. Inside the footer 7 layout, we have certain configuration inside it. Also, we have the back to top button, and we have the feature to remove the style in the CSS footer. We're not going to remove anything. We're just going to use the default style, which is footer 7. And footer 7 is basically a footer related to the Buka footers. Inside T-Bay footers, you can see something called T-Bay footers. And here we have a section for footer 7. You could change the footer by clicking on the edit section, or if you're using Elementor, you could click on edit with Elementor. Once you edit the item with Elementor, you could change the content of it. For example, you can see right there we have subscribe to newsletter if you're using a newsletter. If you don't, basically you could remove this section by clicking on the X button over here. We have some how we're doing, give us feedback. Basically, this is just a link that can take you to a certain page. For example, inside our website, we could take the users to contact us page, to this page over there. So instead of give us feedback, I could click edit and just change the link to something else. For this section at the bottom, you can see we have a copyright section. You could say here we're gonna make the copyright to the website LA Beauty Supply and designed by, for example, we could say Green Backend, and change the link of this to something else. Like I want to make https greenbackend.com. You could do this as well, and of course you could change the other content. Like I need to change this logo, so I click on the logo, choose the logo that we have, and then we choose the content that we have. For example, we could say you could type any text you want. Okay, this is the other sections. Like here we have the my account page. Also on the main page here we have something called my account. We have categories, we have shop, we have news, we have the contact, we have the about us, the fact, frequently asked questions, and the term of use. Here we have the contact info. You could change it to your own settings, like if you have an email or any other settings, you could come here and change the email account. And down there you could put your address. Like if you have an address, you could change it to your own address. All right, so here you're just gonna type your phone number. If you have a phone number for your business, basically you click on that and change it to your phone number. So here, just gonna click on this, change it to my phone number. Also, you have links for Facebook, YouTube. You just click on the icons, and here you have the Facebook. You can put the link for it and other stuff. So this is the main thing, how you apply or modify the changes. You could also add new content to the footer. Like here in this section, we have brands, book of brands, and inside it, you know, we have different items. We have general configuration. We have a section called book of brand. You can add another section. For example, at the top, you click on the plus, you choose the orientation, the layout, and click here. You can drag or drop different components. Like I want to add an image, so you basically just drag and drop this image. Choose an image from your site or upload one. You could put it over there. If you don't need this, just click on the X button, delete the section that you want, and save. Once you save the section of the footer, you have to go and watch it. So you go here, reload, scroll all the way to the bottom. You can see we got the logo over here, the information, the new information over here, including the address, the phone number, the other stuff. So this is basically how you could modify the footer. In other themes, we could go to the widget section and change the widgets. But here, since we're using Buka, we are heavily using Elementor and the T-Bay footer sections, and which basically much more easier to modify than the normal widgets, because you have everything visually. So you could change everything you want. Like I want to modify the logo to be smaller a little bit, so I click on the image size, and we could make the size of it as like shop catalog, or not shop catalog, because we could make a custom size. Like let's say we have 200 pixel times, let's say 200 pixel times 50. Not gonna work. So let's choose like I don't know, let's choose medium size. All right, and you could make the link to the home page, for example. We can make it like that. To just once you click on the logo, just gonna redirect it to the home page. We have a style, of course. You can change the opacity of the logo if you want, and you have advanced sections. Like you could add animation, like fade in animation, but we need to fix the opacity to be 100%. All right, this is pretty much. You just click save, and after that, just go back to the main site, scroll all the way to the bottom, and once you see the changes, you can see the footer and with the new animation that we've added. All right, other thing that you should care about, which is gonna be related to the title of the page. So right now we have beauty supply. I need to change it to something else. So I go to the dashboard, and from dashboard I go settings, and from the settings we could change it to something else. Like here, settings, general, and we could type instead of here just another website, we could say top quality hair products, something like that. We could capitalize it. If you go to the website, capitalize my title. There's a website. You could just type this and capitalize it over there, and you could just modify this LA Beauty Supply, and just gonna save this because this is gonna affect the look and feel of the website. And after you change this, just navigate to the main page, refresh it, and you can see the new changes have been applied. Not right now, it's not applied, but you click again, you can see the changes are applied. Alright, this is pretty much about the header, the footer. Inside the header section, you can see right now everything is good. And for the mobile, you can see we have to upload a new logo for the mobile. So let's choose this one. Alright, and just gonna choose this style because it's good. Save. And the same thing for the footer. You can see we have the mobile footer 2. So mobile footer 2 is an item which could be as a menu. So let's go to the menus. We have something called mobile footer version 2. So let's search for this for the mobile footer. We don't have any mobile footer here, but we can see bottom footer, menu, bottom footer. In order to see the footer on mobile, you don't have to open it using your phone or your phone number. You could just visit the site and right click on the website. Just right click on the website, inspect, choose this icon, toggle device bar, just click on it. Here you can see the site under mobile. This is the logo, this is the menu, the categories, and you can see the menu there. We got all the items as in the phone, and we can have categories also. We don't have any categories right now, we could add them later on. So you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see we have the footer and we have the logo as well. We don't have any footer menu, and that's good. You don't have any footer menu. So just gonna be the same footer as we did for the desktop, which is gonna be here. So that's cool. So this is how you could see the changes, the logo, the footer, the header for the mobile phones by using the Chrome Developer Tools inspection tool. Just click in here to see the design on mobile phones. And we used Puka because it's one of the greatest themes that support mobile responsiveness and gonna help you a lot in order to give better shopping experience for your visitors. Yeah, that's all for now. As a summary, we noticed how to change the footer of the site, how to inspect the design that we have using the mobile phone and using Google Chrome Inspector. We have other sections, like we have the search section here. We're gonna keep it, and we're gonna show you later on how to change the content of the site. Like I need to change this section. We have this section, we have this section, we have other section over here, and we can notice that this section is a footer section, and we know how to get it and modify it. Yeah, that's pretty much, it's awesome how you get to this point, and I can't wait to record the next lesson to show you how to modify the content of the page. See you next lesson, guys. Thank you for watching.